Trading signals have always been the backbone of smart decision-making in the markets. But most tools out there are either too complicated, too unreliable, or just not built for real traders. That's exactly why we built Nextrader, and today I want to show you what makes it different. Let's start with what you see when you open the platform. The chart loads clean. There are no indicators cluttering your screen by default. You get price action, support and resistance levels, and auto-scroll enabled right out of the box. The support level is marked in green on the right side, RESI. Stance is in red, and between them sits the pivot point. These levels are calculated from actual market data and update as new candles come in, so you always know where price stands relative to the key zones. Now the most important part, the signals. Nextrader generates buy and sell signals directly on your chart, but these are not your typical indicator signals that appear and disappear whenever they feel like it. Every signal is generated at the open of a new candle. Once it prints, it stays. It does not repaint, it does not shift, it does not recalculate after the fact. What appears on your chart is final, and they are not based on a single indicator either. Each signal requires agreement from multiple technical sources. We are talking about RSI, MACD, stochastic oscillator, Bollinger Bands, EMA crossovers, swing highs and lows, and candlestick pattern recognition. All of these are evaluated together. A buy signal only appears when the majority confirm a potential upward reversal. A sell signal only appears when they confirm a move to the downside. If the indicators are mixed and there is no clear agreement, no signal is generated. This filtering process significantly reduces noise and false entries. Below the chart, you will find the Active Signals panel. Nextrader provides signals across 4 time frames: 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. Each signal card shows the direction, the confidence percentage, and a brief explanation of why it was triggered. You can see at a glance whether the short-term and longer-term views are aligned or conflicting. And we have made the 10-minute signals completely free. No login required. We believe every trader should have access to quality analysis without being forced through a paywall before they can even evaluate the tool. Now, if you want to go deeper, click on View Details for any signal. This is where the full analysis lives. At the top, you get the trade setup: entry price, stop loss, take profit 1, and take profit 2. These are not based on arbitrary pip distances. They are calculated using actual support and resistance levels from the market data. So the levels you see are tied to real price structure. Next is the confluence section. Here you can see exactly how many indicators are bullish versus bearish. Each indicator is listed individually with its current reading and its directional bias color-coded for quick reference. RSI, MACD, stochastic, ADX, EMA, Bollinger, and overall trend. You get full transparency on what is driving each signal. Below that is the technical indicators section with detailed values. RSI with a visual gauge, MACD histogram, ADX showing whether the trend has strength behind it or if the market is ranging. Stochastic readings to confirm momentum. Everything is laid out clearly so you can validate the signal against your own analysis. Then there is the market context section. This provides a written breakdown of the current market structure, key price levels, and any patterns that have been identified. It gives you the narrative behind the numbers. And finally, the signal summary. This is generated by artificial intelligence and provides a comprehensive 6 to 8 sentence analysis. It covers the trend direction and EMA alignment, momentum readings from RSI and stochastic, MACD crossover status, ADX trend strength, how price relates to support and resistance, Bollinger Band positioning, the overall indicator confluence count, and the risk to reward assessment for the trade. This is not generic filler text. It references the actual indicator values and market conditions at the time the signal was generated. Every signal also comes with a risk management section. You get a recommended lot size based on your account risk percentage. The reward to risk ratio is clearly displayed, and there are trailing stop and break-even strategy suggestions included. The goal is not just to tell you where to enter, but to help you manage the trade properly from start to finish. Nextrader currently supports 3 markets: Volatility 100 Index, Gold, and Silver. Signals are generated continuously around the clock. The system runs on a 5-minute cycle, analyzing fresh market data, recalculating indicators, and delivering updated signals across all 4 time frames. So, to summarize, you get a clean professional chart with real-time support and resistance. Non-repainting buy and sell signals powered by multi-indicator confluence. 4 time frame analysis from 5 minutes to 1 hour. AI-generated detailed breakdowns of every signal. Built-in risk management guidance, and free access to 10-minute signals without creating an account. If you are serious about trading and you want a tool that respects your time and gives you transparent, data-driven analysis, give Nextrader a try. Head over to app.nextrader.live. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.